哦，你的。Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It has been so long since the last video that I posted. So today in this video, I'm going to show you my ultimate upgrade on my working desk. So from the previous two videos, I have shown you from the very beginning on upgrading my working desk to today this video. It is a completely upgrade and different from my previous working desk. So without further ado, let's go. Now let me show you the tabletop that I purchased from Lazada. It is a solid wood tabletop and the color is super nice. I love the wood grain itself. Let's go to buy the wood coating for protection purpose. The coating is necessary in order to keep your table surface from dirt and particularly moisture. Besides that, it has variety of colors for you to transform the appearance of the wood. In order to apply the wood coating, we need to have few more tools to execute it. I have purchased sandpapers and brush. So now I'm going to sand the edges here because I found that it's kind of like rough. So now I'm going to use this to fill in all the small holes, pick up some of it, and let's see the magic here. Just have to fill in. Alright, this surface is quite rough, so that's why I'm using this 120 sandpaper to make it smoother. After sanding the tabletop, wipe off the dust by using a wet towel. It's just like milk. Once the surface of the tabletop is dry, then we can start applying the coating. You may apply 2 to 3 layers of coating on your tabletop. While waiting for the tabletop to be dried, let's unbox the lifting table structure with dual motors. I purchased this lifting table separately from Alibaba. It is much cheaper than buying the whole set of the motorized lifting table in Malaysia and even in Taobao. Now, let's move the structure into room and start installing the table on it. There are more items needed for completing the working desk, especially for cable management purpose. I have purchased the snake cable management casing and KVN, hoping that I can quickly switching the monitor between working laptop with personal laptop. Besides that, I have purchased this LED ambient light to make the working desk more lively. It is time to start installing and doing the cable management. This grey long cable management casing is super useful as it can hide most of the cables inside and keep the desk looks clean. Extension is needed for multi-devices working desk. Apply double side tape for sticking the extension underneath the working desk. Once the extension is installed, we can start plugging in all the plugs for our devices. After all plugs are connected to the extensions, hide all cables in the cable management case and seal it with the cover. Now, let's install the monitor arm on the working desk. Ensure it is firmly locked and then we are good to put on the monitor. The setup of the USB extension at the right side underneath tables is really useful as it is so convenient and accessible. This is how the cable management underneath the table looks like. It is clean and tidy. Now it is time to look at the complete setup working desk. If you like my video, please subscribe now and hit the follow button and like the video so that you won't miss any interesting video from me in the future. It is so important to get an ergonomic working desk setup nowadays as we are working from home and the sedentary working environment is really hurting our health. Get a monitor arm so that you can adjust the height of the screen to your eyesight level. Put a footrest underneath the table in order for you to maintain a correct sitting posture even in long sitting hours. Thank you guys for watching until the end of this video. Please remember to follow my channel, click the follow button and like this video. Thank you and see you in the next video.